Yo, man, let's go ahead and get into it. You guys see the box, man. Y'all see the box. We're going ahead and tap into another pair. We actually showed these a little minute ago, but it's time to, show you guys a full package, a full detailing over this upcoming Air Jordan 1. I'm telling y'all, maybe the best Air Jordan 1 in a year. I'm not trying to hype them up, but this is definitely a step in the right direction for Jordan Brand. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's your boy, The Vintage, bro. We back. We got an early pair to show you guys. Like I said in the intro, we already showed these before, but I didn't show you guys a whole shebang bang, the whole package and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do that in today's video, and I'm putting this out there right now. I definitely think these bad boys are going to sell out instantly. It's not going to be like a Lucky Green situation. It's not going to be like what's going to happen with these Air Jordan 1 Smoke Grays, Black Heritages, whatever you want to call them. I think these in the class by itself, along with, another Air Jordan 1. But we're going to talk about it, man. So make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please give a huge like on today's video, man. We want to get every single video up to 500 likes. When I go out here and get these early pairs, man, we got to get that like button up. Y'all got to spam that like. So we're going to pause for a quick little second and wait for you guys to hit that like button. All right, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. You guys see this, right? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see it, right? I ain't going to say too much, but y'all see what's on the box. So not so much for what's on the outside of the box. Let's go ahead and get inside real quick. It took me a little minute to get these bad boys due to some shipping complications, but we got them in today. We ain't going to complain too much. Let's get inside of here. Hold on. Oh. See, I thought I was, strong, but I gotta use a knife to cut the sides real quick. Hold on, my bad, y'all. My bad. All right, so we got the tape open. Oh, they destroyed my box. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yo, they destroyed my stuff, man. Hold dice, bro. Oh my God. Look how they did me, y'all. I told y'all with some shipping complications. Look how they did my box. Ain't no... Look at my box. No, that is super tough, bro. That's a bummer right there. I definitely gotta file a claim with UPS over this right here, man. All right, guys, try to beautify it as much as I can, but I really couldn't. They destroyed it, man. But y'all see the box, man. You guys see the box, that gold Nike up top. You got the gold hits all the way around. Your box is not gonna come like this if you got a decent, shipping carrier. Like I said, I had some shipping complications in the beginning. I bought these a little minute ago, and I guess they got stuck at a warehouse, and they completely destroyed my box. And I kind of sensed that something's gonna happen once I seen the box come like this, all banged up. But it is what it is, man. You guys see what we got today, man. Let's go ahead and read the official size tag colorway real quick. Air Jordan Retro High OG, and it has black, metallic gold, and palomino. So you guys already know what we're showing you guys today. My box is towed up from the floor up. This is crazy. So let's go ahead and get straight to the sneaker. That's crazy. That's a little bit of a bummer, but it's all good, man. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out, bruh. We got the full packaging. I know you guys seen me show these a little bit early, but I had them too early and did not come with the box. You guys know you can get early pairs without the box. You can get early pairs with the box depending on how early the production is and how you're plugged in, man. So let's go ahead and pull both of these sneakers out of the box. And like I said in the intro, I think Jordan Brand going in the right direction with the Air Jordan 1 colorways. And I think they started off with this upcoming weekend being the Watch Heritages, and like I said, on sneakers, then they call smoke or the black smoke grays, whatever they are calling them. I definitely think those are super crispy, and they following up with a UNC toe, and then we're gonna be getting the palomino Air Jordan 1s, man. So as you guys can see, the hits, the quality all the way around it. Got my size 9, of course. You got that nice nubuck suede mocha in the back, man. And in the video I dropped for the first time, I showed these things like 2 weeks ago. I'm not too sure, but I said that these are better than the mochas. I've had the mochas in hand. I've seen multiple pictures on Instagram. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos over the Air Jordan mochas, and it's my honest opinion that these are most definitely better than the Air Jordan 1 mocha, and that's just because it has that bread, color blocking. You got the mocha in the toe box, you got the mocha on the Nike swoosh and on the heel. They just killed this joint right here, in my opinion. I know there's gonna be some people like, nah, bruh, they ain't gonna beat the mochas, just because that mocha release was a super hype drop. it was so hard to get that sneaker, and it was supposed to be one of the easier ones to get that year because we really haven't seen Mocha on the Air Jordan 1. But of course, Travis Scott, you know what I'm saying, kind of messed that one up right there. So people that didn't want to spend $2,000-$3,000 on a pair of Travis Scotts, they went ahead and grabbed the Air Jordan Mochas, and the hype started building up. People started, you know, saying, dropping pictures, doing videos, saying that these is a knockoff or the, you know, the plan B to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. And that's why that release was super crazy. But for the Palominos, I think it's gonna be a little bit different story, just because these might be a little bit more of an available sneaker. They might not be as limited as the Mochas, and it's not gonna be during COVID. Like, them joints drop, I think, either right before COVID or in the midst of COVID, just making it more complicated to cop the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I really love the hit to sale, you know, that off-white hit on the midsole of these joints, leading up to that nice Mocha. Kind of give you some coffee vibes, you know what I'm saying? So we'll be getting these September the 2nd, of course, the retail tag being $180. But another Air Jordan 1 that I definitely think is up there, you know what I'm saying, but it probably won't get as much credit as deserved. We'll be getting these Air Jordan 1 washed heritages, black heritages, whatever you want to call them, this upcoming Saturday. So you go ahead and reserve these joints right now if you are interested in copping them. I really like the colorway, that smoked out gray hit. And just like the Palominos, you're getting that sail off-whitish hit on the midsole, which is super crispy in my opinion. So right now down in the comment section, man, let me know if you will be snagging these Air Jordan 1 washed heritages right now. They didn't throw any extra laces in these joints. You got your black regular laces in there, and of course you got that little gold hit and the Nike Air tag on the tongue. So maybe if you throw on some gold laces, maybe some off-white ones, if you want to, you know, step out a little bit different, I think that would look cool. And then on the insole, you have another gold Nike Air in there as well. I'm telling y'all, man, just check out that nice Nubuck suede. That Mocha looks really, really good on these bad boys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So let me know right now down below in the comment section what you think about this Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Will it sell out instantly? Is Jordan Brand going in the right direction? And me, myself, I definitely think so. Giving us a smoke gray, then leading to the UNC toe, and then a Palomino Air Jordan 1, I think they definitely in a step in the right direction, man. And I definitely want to hear both sides of it. If you think these are trash, if you're going to be passing on it, please let me know why down below in the comment section. Because as I always say, people come to the video and see how other people think about certain sneakers that we are showing on the channel. So feel free to drop all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Again, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We got another little early, you know what I'm saying, banger coming for you guys. So like I said, it's so important for you guys to hit that notification bell. And go ahead and drop a bell down below if you are a part of the notification squad. Leave a huge like before you slide out today's video. We want to get this up to 500 likes. I know we can do it. And share this with a friend. Show them we got that early heat over here, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.